ProveIt 2026. Day one couldn't possibly have gone better.
What you have to do is create an environment that unlocks the potential of people.
You as an organization have to decide when your employees are expected to trust the system, when you're expected to challenge the system, and when you're expected to override the system.
Being that bridge with the people that are using the technology builds trust. And from there, the stress and the anxiety associated with the changes starts to come down.
A couple of standout presentations. Benson Heglin and Opto22 completely slayed it.
Right to Opto, D-Data, air dryer demo. That is your live data coming from this device on stage, landing in the UNS.
Litmus automation, inductive automation, absolutely crushed it.
Litmus's job is evolving into the foundation, where all of these AI-created apps will run.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tanks, 8 mixing vats that we just set up, 2 lines that are going dynamically, and if I pop back over to that enterprise server, we're going to see that it automatically updated with Site 4. It found it inside the UNS, it's pulling all of that information in, and we are live with a brand new site.
I got my mind blown 3 times today. Number one, Eucodyne has this incredible edge-based inferencing system.
This is like drinking from a fire hose. When that happens, we filter out the noise and we forward the rest of the valuable messages to HiveMQ so you can do whatever you want with it.
Then Maestro Hub did an absolute masterclass.
This is really surprising because this is the part that we corrected in the data. So the company didn't know that they are paying 30% of the electricity without knowing any part.
And then Thread took it home.
So we were like, okay, we've got palletizer downtime. It's the robot. It is a pneumatic issue. Instead of yelling at each other in daily meetings and not getting anywhere, we are bringing this up, and this is helping us find the answer.
Sesame, collaborating with 5 different OEMs to drop like a bomb the i3X API, which is just next level.
All of these vendors are interoperating because they've unified the namespace and they're using the same API definition. Everything glues together smoothly.
Then we moved on to the fireside chat.
We're going to start with a dream, then we're going to work it backwards from the dream to understand what's required to get there, and in the immediate future, where the roadblocks are for your first step when you leave here today.
This show has been groundbreaking. The only thing left for us to do is to give Arlen Nipper the Lifetime ProveIt Award.
On behalf of everyone in this room, and on behalf of the countless engineers across the world that work with your technology every single day to solve problems, thank you, Arlen.
Thanks, everybody. That was pretty awesome. I'm really humbled.
Without the members of the Industry 4 community, without your voices, without your opinions, without your support, this isn't possible. And I am so unbelievably grateful for the sponsors, for the team, but most importantly, you. And with that, ProveIt 2026 is in the books. We will see you, ProveIt 2027, next year.